Hey guys, welcome to Easy Buy. I'm Vamsi Raidu. Today we are gonna make crispy corn. Let's see the ingredients. Here we go. Corn flour, all-purpose flour, maida, chaat masala, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, chili flakes, black pepper, salt and white pepper, onion, 2 green chili, spring onion and oil. Let us boil the sweet corn. After it reaches to the boiling point, let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we are gonna add the sweet corn and mix it well. Then keep the lid and let it boil. Corn is cooked. Let us strain the sweet corn. Keep this sweet corn for drying. Let's make the coating for the sweet corn. Let's add all-purpose flour, corn flour, salt and black pepper. Mix it well. Let's add corn. Mix it well. Sprinkle some water. Let's put on the flame. Add the oil now. Let us put the sweet corn. Let's remove the corn. Let us cut the green chili. Let's cut the onion as well. Let us put on the flame in the pan. Let's put oil. Add ginger garlic paste, green chili, add the sliced onions, add the spring onions and add the sweet corn. Add chili flakes, chaat masala, black pepper, white pepper and a pinch of salt. Toss it well. Let's put off the flame and we can serve it. Crispy corn is ready. Don't serve it when it's hot. Spring onions.